Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have this balm install, and this hair is from Nadula hair. I like Nadula hair. They always do send like really good hair and they're always nice, and I feel like I haven't heard too many bad things about Nadula hair. So I was really excited to try this hair out, and look at how good it looks. I'm so happy. I'm actually on vacation right now, so I'm in Atlanta visiting my grandparents, and I wanted to, you know, just take some time to chill and get back to normal because I haven't been feeling like myself, and it feels good to actually like install a wig. I haven't worn a wig in a while and felt good in a while. So yeah, this is the finished look. This is their loose, I think loose deep wave, I'm pretty sure, but I'll have it in the description, and it's 24 inches. I'll show you guys. You guys can see it's 24 inches and it's really black. I think they did dye it, but I'm happy with that. I like it when it's darker. I'm not sure if it was HD lace, if they said it was HD lace, but it wasn't exactly HD lace. I'll show you as you guys watch the video like what the lace looks like, but it has like a little tint, but that's my favorite type of lace, so no complaints at all. I love the texture. You don't really have to do much to it. You just wake up and maybe put some looser water and go. I love the finished look, and I'm also going to show you how I did the curly edges again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to purchase this hair, it is in the description down below, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So again, I'm bald headed, and I've already done the bald cap method, and I'm really sorry if you guys hear noise. I'm at my grandma's house. There's noise. Here is the wig. I've already bleached the knots and washed it, so that's why it's kind of more poofy, but I really like the texture. So the texture is called loose deep wave, I'm pretty sure, and it's every like hair company has their own like type, but you guys can see it kind of looks like you crimped your hair. So I'm really excited for this, and the lace is really nice and thin. It's low-key like HD lace, but it has like a tint to it. So HD lace is usually just like fully clear, like you can't see it, but I kind of do prefer this lace better because it kind of matches my skin a little bit better. So I'm just gonna put this on and see how it fits my head, and I believe this is 24 inches and it's a 13x4 wig. Okay, looks like it's fitting really good. I feel like I haven't worn a wig in so long, so this is so exciting. Yeah, you guys see, it's already giving scalp and we're not even done yet. I think I want it here, and now I just take a little eyebrow pencil and just make marks. I'm not used to, I guess, the South. I don't know if it's just the South or what, but there's literally bugs everywhere and I don't like that. So if you guys hear like a fly or anything, yeah, sorry about that. And then I like to take a little bit of hand sanitizer and clean up the area. And now for glue, I got Ghost Bomb Platinum. I was so glad that I found literally everything that I use here. Well, I knew I would, but I left like all my hair products and everything back in Canada just because it would have been so annoying to like bring everything and all that weight and all that. So I love beauty supplies down here anyways. So I'm gonna apply about 3 layers. I kind of feel like I'm getting back into my little groove. I've been dealing with just too many things and haven't been feeling like myself, and I feel like I always have these, I don't know, these, I guess, what is it called? Moments? Not moments, but episodes. Where I just don't feel like myself, and when I'm dealing with things, I don't get like as motivated to post or to get back to work or anything, but I felt like this trip should, you know, I don't know, bring me some peace and a little break. And when I get back into like working and making videos, I do feel better, so watch out for some more videos. I'm gonna try and do as much as I can on my trip just to keep myself like busy, but then also like you know, I'm gonna look cute for pictures, so kind of a win-win. Oh, this is so annoying. I hate when this happens, but I didn't have like a blow dryer, so I couldn't really fix it myself, but it's okay. The sun is going down, so I'll fix the lighting, but let me just glue this down while it's still sticky. And all you want to do is just align the dots with the dots you made on your skin. So now I'm just gonna use a rubber band, and I literally had to go to Walmart and get this. Like, this is literally the reason why I didn't film yesterday, but found one. And to make it easier, I'm just gonna put my hair up. And I'm gonna leave this on for like about 3 to 5 minutes. And I will be back so we can cut the lace. I hope you guys can see a little better. I think you can, but we'll see how it goes. So time to remove this. Ooh. And you guys can see, oh, it looks so good. It feels so good to have like a new wig on after you've been looking so bummy for so long. I literally have this huge mirror right here. I miss my setup, oh my gosh, but no, you have to make do with what you have. And all I'm doing is just cutting off any excess lace. And you never want to cut like a perfect line. Just try to make it as messy as possible, but not too messy. Like jagged, that makes sense. And here it is. I'm just going to go off camera and glue in once lifting, and then I'll be back so we can do the edges together. Okay, so here is the wig installed, and it's giving scalp. Love it. But before I get into the edges, I'm just gonna, actually I think it's gonna be like a free part type of wig. I don't want it to be like kind of like a messy beach waves type of look. So I'm just gonna pull out the edges, but I think I want edges like even in the front as well. I'm not sure. So let's just take this part out. So I'm gonna take like the whole side out like that. Yeah, I think this should be good. I'm just gonna get my hot comb and just kind of press them downwards. Okay, I'm gonna make it long and then I'll go shorter later. Just because I'm curling it, so I just want to make sure this works. And now taking this, be careful to not burn yourself. I just separate them into 2 sections. and just curl them inwards. You can curl them outwards if you'd like, but I just curl it inwards so it stays flat. And starting at the base, hold on to the base and twirl. Ooh, this one's really nice. Like the one I have, it kind of pulls. Maybe the hair is just good. You guys, the straightener is so good. What the hell? And make sure you get every single piece in, because if you miss some, it kind of messes it up when you're trying to style it. Okay, I'm glad I didn't cut them any shorter, because you can see how like shorter they are now. Now look at how cute this is. I have never seen one this small, and I'm so happy I found it. Perfect size. So, like always, spray it on the brush. Not too much, get the excess off. And then mostly apply the product on the root part, not the outside, like the ends of the hair. Just the roots. And you just kind of want to press it, and that's what makes it hold. And just like that. I hope that makes sense. Oh, I love it. Look at this. So good. Oh my gosh. So what I'm gonna do now is just wrap it just so that it doesn't lift up a little bit. Okay, so now that this is like this, I'm gonna let the rest of the hair down. Then this part's a little thick, so I'm just gonna pull out a section. Really messy, not perfect. And I got this Edge Booster wax stick. First time trying it. And then using my hot comb. I even got a new hot comb and I'm really liking it. Just kind of flatten it so that it's not bumpy. Ooh, this hair looks good. I'm using my favorite mousse, and it's Lotta Body. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's only one kind, but Lotta Body, love it. I'm just gonna take some of my hands and just run it through the hair. And then as it dries, it's gonna dry so nice, and you'll see the texture of the hair. And mostly focus on the ends, because that's where it gets frizzy. Already feels so much better with some good hair on, and tomorrow I'll get my nails done. I did my lashes today, and then I'll be back to normal. I just realized I might be like, really quiet on camera, and I just can't tell. So you guys, hold on. Do you see this? Wow, I'm so obsessed. And just and we are done, I'm pretty sure. Look at how this looks. Oh my gosh, I feel so good. I swear wigs be changing your whole mood. And this is the final look, and it's giving scalp. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Feels good to be back to normal. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a couple tips and tricks, and if you guys did enjoy, give me a thumbs up and comment below what you'd like to see next, or if you have any questions, and make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.